Oh, check this out. Sucks. Look at this. So what happened today is I was riding this and I picked up a piece of freaking barbed wire, wrapped around, it actually stuck into the tire, wrapped around and flipped around and did all that. It sucks. So yeah, that blows. But it actually slashed my belt drive. So you can see where the belt flipped around with it. So yeah, this is all cosmetic, but we're gonna try and salvage it. Just a shame. Alright guys, so take a look. Getting it all sanded. Gonna acetone it in a minute, clean it down. Then we'll repaint it. So tomorrow you'll never even knew this happened, but the reason I'm even showing this is what happened. I had, maybe a 5-foot long piece of barbed wire that was sitting on the ground that they left at the construction site, right here in the complex where I live. I don't even know why they would have it over here. And it stuck into my tire and flipped around and did a crap load of damage. So, I wasn't even going very fast, maybe 10 miles an hour. But a bike I can replace, not a big deal. Fixing this up, not a big deal. But man, if that hit my foot or something, like my leg was back here with the pedal at the time, I would have been serious hurting. So I'm just saying this from this point. I got some cosmetic damage. I will fix it. I was able to walk away from it and not get seriously hurt, so I was just lucky. But just be careful, because you never know when something like that will just blindside you all of a sudden. And I mean, you know, these can get pretty dangerous pretty quick. So that would have sucked. I had the best case scenario happen. A little bit of damage, a little griping, pissing and moaning. But anyways, so that's all. Alright, so I'm going to hit this with some primer in a minute. Got it all masked up what I want. And we'll see how it goes. And then we'll hit it with the blue paint again, and hopefully it looks a little better. Alright, so tomorrow she should be good as new once it dries up. I got it all redone. And we'll leave it like this tonight. I got the door open at the moment because we got a gigantic ventilation fan. So this thing's getting pelted with air at the moment. Help dry it. So anyways, that's where I'm at. I'll put it together tomorrow and she should be good to go. But yeah, man, just be careful. I mean, it took a matter of a couple seconds to tear all that apart like that. And I mean, God, if I had my foot back and it hit my leg, that would have been bad. So, alright, peace.